Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore CloudWatch logs after retention misconfiguration. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to restore CloudWatch logs that were lost due to retention misconfiguration. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudWatch service. On the left sidebar, click on Log Groups. Locate the log group that had the retention policy misconfigured. Observe the retention settings for this log group. If the logs have exceeded the retention period, they are no longer accessible through the console. However, you may still be able to recover data if you had previously set up log export or backup. Check if you have exported your logs to Amazon S3 or any other storage solution. If the logs were exported to S3, go to the S3 console. Navigate to the bucket where your logs are stored. Review the folder structure to find the appropriate log files. If you locate the logs, download them to your local system. Once downloaded, you can view the logs using any text editor or log viewer tool. If you did not set up any backup or export, unfortunately, recovery is not possible. It's essential to prevent this issue by configuring proper retention settings moving forward. Adjust the retention settings as needed for future log management. Consider setting up automated exports to S3 for added safety. Regularly review your log groups to ensure they align with your retention policies. Now your CloudWatch logs should be safe and easy to manage moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.